Let's talk about propagation of light, means how light travels. Dear students, light travels in a straight line. The property of light by which it travels in straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Let us focus on the way light travels and what happens. As during the daytime, we can see many things around us in the presence of sunlight, but in the night, we use different objects like CFL, tube light, candle to see the objects, and we can see these things around us due to reflection of light. When the rays of light they pass through transparent materials like glass, but they cannot pass through non-transparent material like wall, stone. There they are reflected. If a ray is not able to pass through non-transparent things, it changes its path, and that is called reflection of light. And the way we see the different things, we have following steps. Firstly, the light from any source like sunlight or any ray of light, it falls on the object. If it is non-transparent, then it is reflected, and it is reflected back to our eyes. It reaches our eyes, then we are able to see that object. That is why if the glass of a window is clean, then we are not able to see the glass. We can see the world outside from that window. We can see the things that are against that are outside of the window. We are not able to see the glass. We are able to see the things clearly because of the cleanliness on the glass. If you see a beam of light entering through the roof or door or from anywhere randomly, you will observe the straight beam because of presence of dust particles in the air. This means the ray of light they travel in straight line, and this is called the propagation of light, rectilinear propagation of light. We can also observe propagation of light from some of these experiments like the laser torch give a fine beam of light, and we can also perform such experiments ourselves which gives us a brief idea on how light travels. For example, if we take three square pieces of cardboard and put them at some distance, then by making a hole we can see through that, and we can see how the light travels in a straight line. This experiment can give us a great understanding about light travels in a straight line. Let us perform this experiment about rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light is it is the principle, we can say, which states that light always travel in a straight line when it is in a homogeneous medium, as long as it is not reflected, as long as it is not getting any obstruction in its way. So let us try to understand this principle with the help of a simple experiment. And what we will do in this experiment, we will take three cardboard pieces and we will arrange them. Let us take these three rectangular cardboard pieces A, B and C and arrange them accordingly, and make a small hole at the center of the cardboards at the same horizontal level. The level should be exactly same. Then place the three cardboards horizontally in such a way that the three pinholes are in a straight line exactly at the same place. Then place a burning candle on one side of the cardboard A at the level of the hole so that we can see through the hole. Now make sure that you have arranged all the three cardboards and candle in such a way that the three pinholes and the candle are exactly in a straight line. Now what we will do? Observe the candle flame through the hole and you will be able to see the candle flame through the C because the holes are there at exactly same distance, at same height. You will be able to see the flame as holes are in straight line at the same level of the candle. Let us now do one thing, that we will slightly displace any one of the cardboard, say B, and try to see the flame through the hole of C. The flame will not be visible to you. You will not be able to see. So we can conclude from this experiment that light travels in a straight line, and this is known as the rectilinear propagation of light.